Hey guys, Ryan Dossey here, and I'm absolutely mortified that I have not done this video before. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pull a list of expired properties from the MLS that have equity, meaning they can afford to sell to you as an investor at a discount. Now, this is one of my favorite mailing lists for one reason. Typically, when you make a seller an off-market cash offer and they feel like it's a little bit low, their go-to rebuttal is, well, I'll just list it on the MLS. It's a really easy objection to handle on these. Well, how did that work out for you last time? So this is actually one of my favorite mailing lists. So let me show you how to pull it. So we're here in PropStream, and you're simply going to go in and enter your city, your zip code, whatever it is that you want to pull the mailing list by. We're going to click on filter right here. We're going to go down to MLS status. We want to make sure we click no, that it's not currently on the market, because we're looking for stuff that failed and they kept it off market, meaning they kind of gave up. The cool thing with these is they did what they were supposed to and it didn't work. So this is somebody who said, I want to sell my house. We know they have equity so they can afford it, and the process kind of let them down. As investors, these are typically a really good candidate for us as cash buyers. So we want to make sure we're not marketing to people who took it off the market and then just relisted it with somebody else. So we're then going to go into status, and we're looking for the ones that failed. And you could go all time, in which case there's 4870 before we've narrowed down here. But I typically like to look at stuff within the last year or two, just kind of to make sure we're not marketing to stuff that's like super, super old. So we've got started between then and now. If you've looked at your public records or followed listings in your market, oftentimes stuff will list, won't sell, and will sell substantially less for cash. And this is how you get those deals. So we're next going to go into property characteristics and narrow by what we're looking for. So for the sake of this demo, I'm going to do just single family, but maybe you're looking for multifamily or something different. Now, we've got 1,747 people. However, some of these may not be able to afford to sell to you. So we want to narrow only by the ones that have equity. So we're going to go into valuation and equity. And we're going to do 35 to 100%. Why 35? I don't know. That's just how I've always done it, and it's worked very well for us. We have a lot of sellers we work with that can just barely afford to sell to us that end up panning out that I think we'd miss if we bumped that to 40. So there we go. We've got 1,260 single-family prospects in Indianapolis that listed, and the listing failed within the past 2 years. So simply check this box to save all of them, create new, add them to a mailing list. Once that's saved, over here on the side, we'd go to My Properties, pick the particular list we're looking for, check all, and then export to pull it. So that is how you use PropStream to pull a list of properties that were on the MLS and failed that also have equity. I have a lot of folks who have MLS access ask me if they still need PropStream. And in my MLS, I haven't found a way to filter only by owners with equity. So absolutely, yes, this is one of those tools we pay for every single month. Hopefully you found this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you next time.